Hey everybody, Doug with Golf Reboot. I just wanted to talk to you quick about a company that is a growing company out in Pennsylvania. I know one of the guys there and he reached out, got me some stuff, and I just wanted to share some of it with you. The company is called Busted Golf. And something that's important to me, I'm a firefighter. I've been one for 18 years. I was an EMT for 10 years when I was in college and back home. But first responders, veterans, that's important to them too. If you are a first responder, veteran, active military, you can get discounts on their website. But some of the stuff I have, you can see I've got my black hat, I've got a white busted golf hat. On the side of them, it's actually nice. Don't think, just drink. One of the things we tell you all the time, don't think when you're out there. I don't think you need to be hammered while you're golfing, but hey, if that's what you need to do, that's what you need to do. Also have the matching visors of each, one white, one black, pretty cool. And then you can see I've got the white golf polo on. There's also matching one in black, which I'll probably wear that next time I'm out golfing. Got some golf towels that they've got out there, nice quality. They definitely, they're nice and soft. Not like those $3 ones you can find places. Then of course we've got our nice t-shirt, don't think, just drink. See that there? Got their logo over here on the sleeve. And all of their shirts have a little phrase on the sleeve. This one is "Party like a Patriot." On the black one, they're really hitting home with the "Don't think, just drink." Then along with all that stuff, obviously you can see I've got my Coke Zero. It's in a busted golf drink koozie. Have another one in case I need a second. You've got your divot tools, black and white divots, ball marker, and of course the bottle opener. So each of those has that. And then of course, if you look around my garage, there's stickers everywhere, so he also gave me a bunch of different stickers that I can hang up. So obviously they're a company. I got some clothes, pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna wear it while I'm in here making videos, while I'm out on the course. But they're a great company. They want to support people who have helped everyone, whether it's veteran, first responder, anything like that. Check out their website. There's always something that pops up there where you can get a discount code or $10 off. So give them a try, see what they have, see if it's something you would like. Just so that you know a little bit about them, I'm gonna read off from their page. At Busted Golf, we're more than a golf brand. We're a veteran-owned crew built on grit, laughter, and love of the game. We design our gear for those who take their swing seriously, but not themselves. From fairways to front lines, we honor service, celebrate freedom, and bring the drinks. So it's a good crew. They want to have fun, but they also love golf, and they love the people who have done things for us and want to help support them. So check out bustedgolf.com. Get some of this stuff for yourself, and I think you'll enjoy it.